Hi everyone. So here we are on the making of our chicken, how do you call this, range. So we have this net put up here. It's kind of high in there. I bought this one roll of net for 5,500 pesos, and that rope for I think 400 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot already, but here I think it's too high, but I think we're going to pull it down. Murag di kaabot. So I'm trying to pull it down. If it goes down, wow, it's kind of high, tall. So it is going from there, going around all the way to the pond there. And we have this drainage that place there, so they can drink water from that place. And then that goes here, and this pole here, here, there. And then we will make something like a barn, or a tiny barn. I don't know what it's called, but it's just like a hut that the chicken can find shelter. Yeah, chicken coop. No, I don't know. So we are on the making. I'm sure the chicken will devour all this grass here in just a twinkling of in just, I don't know, very quick twinkling of an eye. I don't know. So we have guavas there. As you can see, those are guavas. I'll show you the fruit. Ayay, magisi na. Gisi na. So here is the guava. That's dragon fruit, by the way. So here, it's not ripe yet, but this is guava here, guava fruit. So we have one, two, I don't know how many guava plants are here, but there's a lot in here. And I don't know what we're gonna do with these guava trees here, but we'll make maybe we will make the barn here, chicken barn in here instead of there, and then a little hut there that the chicken can rest at noon, you know, the time when they drink water. Here's the bamboo that they cut to use as pillars for the net there, and there's some here. And there's the house that's being built. There's the store there right now, and there's the main house there. Yeah. And that's the farm, or that's where we plant the veggies. We have more fruits there. We have cassava, sweet potato, beans on top. A lot of fruits there. Coconuts around the farm. It's all over the farm. Let me see this one here. Oh, this plant This grass here, they are called Kogon grass, and they're itchy. Itchy. I don't know if this is ripe yet. Yeah, it's ripe. There. It's ripe. Let's eat this. Guava. See? It's ripe. So let's eat. Right, my hair. There's also, hold on. There's also ripe papaya there. There's more papaya plants there all over the farm. So that's why if there's ripe papayas, then we have a lot. We cannot eat all the papayas. We have to sell them. Make money. Smells good. Hinog is ripe.
Tagoy na kiti no?
Taghoy na.
Tubang dire mo na.
Ako may nagbili. Ang kaan ko guava. I'd say guava.
O pala giniki.
See, they're seeds.
Ato po na hinayay paluag po magbutang na ta.
Maghabok ra.
Kay mong di po mag-abot kay nga sangit-sangit mo na.
Ay, nasangit yun di.
Ikaw wala kag-expert na kini mo ni everybody. Expert ni gamay.
Sure ba?
Magaya ang fisik mo. Lagay ang fisik eh. Magbutang ito pagkunan na is ibutang paluag. Ganar ka paluag eh. Jasper kaya ngita na mo. Abot siya.
Mawa?
Sige siya kaya friend! Ano dyan?
Watch kita niyo.
Ano man, sinaring bara. Dito na bara kay
That's it. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless.